Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you have me barefaced. I was just sitting here thinking about a really fun video to film and I decided to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I gathered a whole bunch of products, usually what I do on an everyday basis. However, I know myself and I know that my everyday makeup tutorial is definitely not 5 minutes. I mean, my brows alone take me a good 15 minutes. So I thought it would be fun to like challenge myself because I need to get better at doing my makeup faster. I have a whole routine that's like about 25 minutes and I can't seem to cut it down. I don't know why. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you join us here. I make beauty and lifestyle videos every single week. As I'm doing this sort of everyday look in under 5 minutes, I may not mention every single product I'm using, but you can always look in my description bar below and everything will be listed there. Of course, my mom's calling me right now as I'm about to hop on a 5-minute makeup challenge. Come on. Okay guys, I don't know why, but I am so nervous right now. I'm about to start and go. Going in with some primer to start. Oh guys, I'm already nervous. Like, I know this area is gonna be such a mess by the time I'm done with it. Okay. I have a feeling that I'm not even gonna like make it to my neck, you guys. All right, so I am taking my brow brush and filling in these brows in like no time. We're gonna go pretty natural today with the brows because you guys, no one's got time for a full brow. Come on. As long as they look somewhat even, I think we can work with this. So my phone timer just went blank and I can't even see like how much time I have left. I feel like it's just gonna buzz. Okay, this is all we're doing with the brows today. And we're gonna cheat a little bit and use the Benefit Gimme Brow. Like that. Okay, and I'm done. I'm done, guys, I'm done. Okay, so. I need foundation brush. This is the worst thing like I've ever done. I'm so stressed. Guys, why is this taking forever to blend? I'm not even like dabbing. Oh my god, this is a disaster. OMG, you guys. Okay, obviously this is like not the right foundation to work with at this time. So next up, I have foundation everywhere, by the way, and it is like very poorly blended. I am going to dab some concealer. Oh my god, just looking at my viewfinder scares me, you guys. Okay, so that's that, and now I'm gonna apply some mascara.
What kind of businesses are you looking for?
Oh god, you guys, I just pressed Siri and it started talking to me. Oh my god, I barely have any time! Guys, my mascara is everywhere. Okay, so next up, we are gonna wear we're gonna wear some blush because why not? Some rosy freaking cheeks. Okay, Let's do some highlight because I look hilarious. Oh my god. Let's do some lipstick. I'm gonna wear a MAC red lipstick because I'm extra like that. Okay, where did the time even go? Like, I don't get it. Oh no, I don't have a, oh, there it is, okay. This is so awful. You guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Do I have time to put any bronzer? OMG, you guys, I didn't even blend things in properly. My under eye is an absolute disaster. It also doesn't help that I have such crazy bags. I do have to say that I'm really impressed with how fast I did my eyebrows because I'm telling you, every morning it takes me like 25 minutes and like 15 minutes of it is just my brows, so pretty impressed with how quickly I did those. With the foundation and the primer, I think you really need that time to let everything set, and I obviously didn't have that kind of time. Maybe I should have just skipped the primer in general, but I don't know, primer is one of those things that you need to like have a good base. I think because the primer was still wet, the foundation was really hard to blend in quickly. I just kind of like started putting blush and highlight right away because I really wanted to bring color to my cheeks and not make that foundation noticeable. I didn't touch my neck at all, and usually I love to put foundation on my neck just so the color of my face and my neck matches. I don't know. I don't even know if anything matches right now. And there's absolutely no way I could have worn lashes. Like, I don't know how all these gurus have been like putting on lashes. Like, who has the time? I barely had time to put mascara on, and like, I don't know. There's no shadow. This is it. This is what I can do in 5 minutes. If you have a YouTube channel, or if you do videos or even photos often like on your Instagram or YouTube, I would absolutely love to see how you guys do with the 5-minute makeup challenge. If you do have a video up, or if you're planning to do one or something, be sure to comment below and show it to me, or like tag me in something. This challenge is so super fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had fun watching me struggle. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me what you thought of this makeup look. I know it's so glamorous. And I will see you guys next time. Mwah!